Guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Part Spice, and I'm here to do a not too shabby shop design team video. Yes. So first of all, let's show you the items in this mini release. Way too cute. Number one, you've got this Dots for Summer paper. They're 6x6 and they're double-sided. Then you have this cute scene stamp with these fun little sayings. And if you've been on my channel for any length of time, you know I love elephants. So, oh my gosh, how cute is that? Adorable. And can you read these? There you go. So cute. Look at them. Show you what you need to do. First off, you're going to cut a square. So you could use a 12x12. You could use an 8x8. Whatever size that you want that you can cut into, you know, that's a square. Then you want to fold it, score it in half. So score it here, then turn it and score it again. Then in the bottom left corner, you want to go from point to point and score here. Okay, you want this folded like that. You're going to go ahead and fold the other side. Obviously, you want to burnish everything down. And then you'll have a mountain fold in the corner. So when you're done, it basically looks like that. Then when you open it back up, if you have your corner piece here, we need to cut this section apart. Okay? So you're just going to take your scissors and you want to cut. So here's my corner that has the diagonal. We're going to cut this line here. So I'm just going to turn it. This piece is free now. Then you want to go back in and you want to cut a sliver of it off. So I'm just going to go ahead on this other side of the score line and cut that off. It's not a huge amount, but you want it that way so everything will line up. And then when you get to the center, you can just cut that right there. So this is what you're left with. You can see that. So when you fold this here, you have that point, and then you'll take this piece and it'll go over here. So look at that. And then when you close it, this piece goes up like that. And you just want to make sure everything's lined up. And there's your basic card. I'm just going to go ahead into decorating the pieces.